Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to charge any LiPo battery with a balance connector on your Traxxas EZ charger. Next up on G-Reviews. Alright, so if you haven't seen my other videos on the difference between these HRB packs and the Traxxas packs in terms of the cost, go watch that. I'll have a link up here on the differences in costs there. And that kind of makes me come to the next point here, which is if you already have a Traxxas charger, if you bought one, if you bought it used and it came with one, and you don't want to use Traxxas batteries, how do you do that? So again, this is my HRB 3-cell LiPo, 11.1 volts, 4,000 milliamp hours. It has your TRX connector, and then it also has your balance connector. Got my EZ Plus just kind of turned on here. You can see the lights going up and down. And I'm sure maybe you've noticed right here, there's this little Traxxas symbol here. That actually is where your balance plug is gonna go. So you take that off, and then you have right here, this particular model only goes up to 3S. The larger one, it goes up to 4S. It'll have 3 of these balance ports. So if you have a 2-cell non-Traxxas, that'd be this one. But if you have a 3-cell, it's going to be this one right here. So all you gotta do, super easy, go ahead and, it doesn't really matter which one you do first, but you're gonna go ahead and plug in your balance plug. And then you're gonna plug in the battery itself, okay? So then what's going to happen, you see immediately what happens. So then, before it was just going up, now it's going up and down. So now what you do is you hold these two guys together for about 2 seconds. And now what you get is these two light up, and then this one lights up. So what you do, you want to select what charge you want to go to. So I'm always going to do balance. It defaults to balance. And then for this particular battery, we're going to go up to 4 amp hour or 4 amps. Right, so you just hit this one, the charge rate select up until 4 amps. And then you go ahead and hold that down. Mine always makes a weird noise. I don't know if yours does too, but whenever it starts charging, it kind of makes kind of a weird noise. So just hang on 1 second. And that's it, guys. So that's the whole process. As you can see, it has started to charge. Right now, I mean, like I said, we just started. This light's on. This light's blinking to show you that it is charging. We're on balance and LiPo. If you have any questions on the process, let me know. But that's it, guys. It's really easy to charge your non-Traxxas batteries with your Traxxas charger. Please subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.